Hello, I'd like to give you a preview of animated Arduino. The pages which explain program code are interactive. This means you can step through the code at your own speed. The animations of circuits on the right of the code are activated at the appropriate moment to show the effect of particular lines of code. Each of the topics covered in the book has animated content to help explain things. This first animation helps to explain how a potentiometer works. And this animation is part of the topic on switch bounce. It shows the trace on an oscilloscope. The book also contains static images, such as this servo. These help to explain the workings of devices being used in the example programs. Finally, this animation illustrates the steps involved in configuring a circuit and uploading a program to an Arduino to enable it to perform a particular function. In this case, it is flashing two LEDs.